No, the hell we're not good. I'm not homing for nobody. I don't even know this dude. You know what? I thought you were kind of cute until I found out you were somebody's bitch.
Hey, man, I like this girl, man.
Gray hoodies, they cover their heads. I can't see their faces. I can't see. And they knew me. Looks well my head.
What are you doing?
My heart's something drumming. No need to take from me. Don't throw the paint on me. I see this look forming. I got lost to stray.
What are you even doing here?
Jennifer, damn, girl, come on. I told you.
That's called stalking. And second is creepy. Now get out of here. I'm serious.
No, it's not. Yo,
Stop. What the hell is wrong with you? Get your hands off me.
Damn.
Keisha, I'm serious. Oh my God. That's really unsafe. You need to get down. I'm serious. Keisha, please.
Jennifer. Oh my God, Jen. What just happened? Oh my God, you're just like Dad.
What was that? The machine's malfunctioning. I swear. Just switch places with your sister, please. All right, what'd you say? No, it's not a malfunction. Okay, so do desk cans look like this? No, they don't. Jefferson's like a battery. He takes electricity from the source and channels it through his body. According to this MRI, Jennifer's a generator. What are you saying? Her cells are creating pure energy.
Jennifer.
Hey, stop! Stop!
I think that's her, yo.
That way.
Wait!
Go. Yeah, we should split up.
One more time, shock him. Shock him one more time. Mama. Jennifer? Get close. Jennifer?
I've been love my children. I've been love the morning. But now the
us heroes, but the real heroes are you. The people who, despite the everyday struggles of life, continue to find hope, meaning, and purpose in what can be a challenging world.
Mom loves the both of them. You see, it's in the blood. Both kids are good to mom. Blood's thicker than the mud. It's a family affair.
We've been given a gift, a blessing from God, and we intend to use it to protect this city and its people.
Oh, I can't be your Batman, cause I be robbing. I don't want no locked ass bitch, give me noggin. Why you laughing?